Hello and welcome to your first look preview of this awesome home. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to schedule a private tour. Welcome to this beautiful classic colonial nestled on 1.5 peaceful acres, just minutes from Lake Anna. This spacious home offers the perfect blend of charm and comfort, starting with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level. Enjoy an open floor plan designed for everyday living and entertaining, featuring a bright country kitchen with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of room to gather. Need to work from home? A private main-level office has you covered. There's also a separate dining room for hosting holiday meals or dinner parties. Upstairs, the generous primary suite is your personal retreat with a cozy sitting area, large walk-in closet, and a luxury bath built for relaxation. Step outside to enjoy the wide rear deck, patio, and partially fenced backyard, perfect for pets, play,